Hi and welcome back. Today we are in Sarai's home. We are going to look at Miss Zelda and Indigo and see how they're doing after about a month of being repotted into the Orchid Supply. I believe it was the medium bark and perlite. And as always, their website is linked in the description below. And when you get to checkout in the coupon gift certificate area, use the code TRISH and get your 12% off of everything. And remember, if you buy an orchid, let me know. Enable me. But she is displaying her lovelies on her coffee cart here in front of a north-facing window that, as you can see, gets lots of light. It's late afternoon right now. And we were going to talk about Miss Indigo first. So this is the one that she bought that was blue, and blue is her favorite color. Of course, she found out very quickly it did not rebloom blue. It rebloomed a pink, I believe, and then a white. But she is very dehydrated on her bottom leaves, which is fine because if you look, she has a beautiful new leaf growing. And if we turn her around, look at that. Big juicy, I don't know if you can see that root. Can you see it? Look at that beautiful root growing. So new leaf, new roots. I think she's going to be just fine. Recover. And Sarai seems to think that she's going to lose this leaf. I'm saying that it's going to plump back up and she's going to keep it. So we'll check on her again in a month or so, and we'll see if that leaf actually left or if it was here. See who was right. And over here we have Miss Zelda, who, as I was telling you guys in one of the Phriday Phalaenopsis, that once they're dehydrated and those leaves plump up, you'll still see that wrinkling. This is kind of what I was talking about. Like, this leaf is nice and firm, but it has that wrinkling kind of dehydration look to it. So she'll have that until she senesces that leaf. But the rest of her leaves are just stunning. Look at this. Look how beautiful they are. They're all nice and filled out. And let's take her out. And she has a beautiful root tip right there. And she has some more lovely roots over here. Where are they? There they are. So she's working on roots in there. But look what else I found. Come over here. She is going to bloom. And I told Sarai she'd be okay to bloom because she is kind of strengthened up, so she should be fine. But the spike was caught in this bottom leaf here. So we did loosen her up, and we're going to turn her this way to face the window so that that spike kind of straightens itself out. And of course, it'll have the little wanky at the bottom, but eventually she'll straighten herself out and go towards the window. And once she blooms out and is in her full glory, we'll come back and check on both of them. If anyone has any questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember to go get that 12% at the Orchid Supply Store. And I'll see you guys next time.